Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to blur face in Capcut. Let's get started. Firstly, launch the Capcut app, then create a new project. If you have an existing project, open it. After that, press the button labeled Effects. Next, click on Video Effect from here. Then click on the Lens Effects. Select the Blur effect, and from there, then adjust the intensity of the blur. Click the button, then select the duration for the blur in the video. After that, click on the video in the timeline. After this, find and click on Copy button from the bottom. Click on the second video, then press the Overlay button. Then click on the video you overlaid just now. Click on the Mask button. Then click on the Circle button. Click the bottom left button. Adjust the blur according to the face. Then use keyframe according to your face. Use the keyframe like I am using. As you can see the result. After this, export your video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.